Hello guys, welcome to today's recipe. We're making a
Pumpkin cake.
pumpkin dump cake, and we have named it Dumpkin. We're gonna go ahead and get to making it. First, it calls for 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin. So Caroline's gonna get that put in. Just scraping out the can, getting it all out of there. This is a new recipe that we found, so we have not tried it yet, but we will let you know honestly if it's good or not. If you like pumpkin, it should be pretty good. Okay? Alright, we're going to put in 10 ounces of evaporated milk. And make sure on the pumpkin you don't do the pie filling, you use the pure pumpkin. So here's another one. Okay. 1 cup brown sugar. We will when we stir it up. Calls for 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. There you go. And we'll put the recipe in the description for you guys. Then 3 eggs.
I'm busting it off.
Okay, 3 eggs. I'm going to help you do them so we can get them in, okay? Don't get no shells. Good job. You're just going to use a whisk and whisk it all together and get it mixed up real good. Doing a good job here, my kitchen assistant here, aren't you? Looks like you got it mixed up really good there. Did a good job. And you're just going to pour that in the bottom of your baking dish. Good job. Then you're just going to take 1 yellow cake mix, whatever brand you like, and just the dry mix, and sprinkle it over top of the pumpkin mixture in your baking dish. Just evenly spread it all out through there. It's actually a pretty easy recipe. Get it coated on there real good. This was a little bit different than our last dump cake we did. This time you're going to use 2 sticks of melted butter and pour over top. Try not to just drizzle it all over the top of it here. Okay. Alright, we got it all ready to go. You're going to pop it in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. When we come back, we'll show you the glaze and a little extra that we're going to throw on top. Alright, we got a few more minutes on the cake, so I'm going to go ahead and get the glaze mixed up that goes on top. It's 2 cups of powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons of milk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just going to mix it all together and get us a nice little glaze going here. So I did that, and it's really kind of thick. So I'm going to add just a little bit of milk at a time and thin it out just a little. Because that's pretty thick and it won't even pour. So I'm just adding a little bit at a time. You'll have to do it by your own. I didn't measure how much more I'm adding. That's better. I think I added probably another maybe teaspoon, but I just did a little bit at a time. And that's kind of what we want. So we want it to pour over top of the cake. Alright, the cake came out. Now we're just going to pour our glaze over top and top it with some heath candy pieces. And I'm pouring the glaze while it's hot so it can kind of melt into the this cake. Sorry. It doesn't have to be even or anything like that. You just want it to kind of. And you can sprinkle nuts on top if you prefer. But we seen this was one of the options, so I really like heath candy bars. So that's what we're using. So here's you a nice, easy, fun fall dessert. We'll be back here in a bit to taste test it and let you know what we think, and that's it.
Mom, see how you do that so we can taste that. Alright, Mommy, go ahead.
Okay, that looks really good. You gonna take the first bite?
Yes.
Okay, it's warm, be careful. Yeah, how is it?
Yum.
Okay, that's really, really good. Alright guys, you gotta try this recipe. This is the first time we've tried it, and we will definitely be doing this one again. Make sure if you like our videos to go ahead and like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We will put the full recipe in the description for you, and let us know when you try it. Y'all have a wonderful day.